In 2017, I found myself pretty unhappy. I had just done my annual physical, and despite a lifetime of diets, I had tipped the scales at close to 350 pounds. And so I looked to my wife, Madalina, and decided that I really needed to make a change. And so I decided to walk away from my career and focus on my health. The first thing that I did was to start a social media page where I was documenting what I was eating every day. I didn't really have any marketing experience, and really, I didn't know how to cook.
One of our first dates was him attempting to cook, but he didn't even have salt in his house. So let's just say a food business was not exactly the first thought that came to mind.
Soon I became really obsessed with creating healthier versions of my favorite foods. And throughout that process, I realized that I really missed pasta and rice. One day I said, you know what, let's try to make a healthier version. And so we started experimenting with different flours, different ingredients. Kaizen started out of a personal need, and we really never imagined becoming one of the best-selling pastas on Amazon.
It would have been incredibly hard for us to grow at this level without Amazon.
We take advantage of the dedicated Amazon account manager that helps us be much more strategic in terms of the areas that we're struggling with as a business and a way to grow our business even further.
And not only that, but they helped us onboard with Amazon Freight and optimize our overall cost structure to get the best value. Amazon Freight allows you to ship full truckloads at a fraction of the price that you would if you were to ship on your own. For brands like us, where every penny counts, those are significant savings.
And then we also are big proponents of brand analytics and brand tailored promotions. It helps us really pinpoint specific customers that we want to acquire and then target customers who have interacted with our products. Social media has been an incredible enabler for us as a business, primarily because it's helped us build a community of like-minded individuals.
What do we think about the seasoned rice rollout, from a social media and email perspective?
We can make a dance contest. Who does the best flamenco?
Oh.
Be good for TikTok.
Food is at the epicenter of a lot of family gatherings, both in my Persian background and in Madalina's Romanian background. Seeing people from around the world try our product, create dishes, was the fuel that kept us going.
Food goes way beyond the meal itself. It brings people together, and there's nothing more beautiful than that.